How to get promo code for Pocket FM. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Pocket FM promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Pocket FM. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one, grab on. Once you're in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Pocket FM. Just scroll down and check out the offers. If you're interested in any of the offers, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also hit towards another website, as these websites will also provide you tons of offers and deals for Pocket FM. Just head towards the website, and here you can see that tons of promo code for Pocket FM. So this way you can easily get promo code for Pocket FM. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.